Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, what's your name and what should I call you?
My name is Moshur Rahman Rimon, and you can call me by my nickname Rimon.
Raymond, you're a student or you're working?
I have recently graduated my undergrad degree in 2024. However, I'm now not working or studying formally. I am fully focused on preparing for my IELTS exam this month, as I'm planning to pursue my master's degree abroad.
Very good. Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Noakhali, which is a coastal district in Bangladesh. However, I'm, I have raised, I'm born and raised in Dhaka, and I spent my entire childhood here in
Okay,
Dhaka.
so can I have your identification
Yes,
document?
please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
So, do you like sports? Why not?
Yes, I like sports. I like sports because it gives me a mental refreshment and keeps me energetic all the time, and it provides me with sufficient physical fit practice which requires in gym and other stuff.
Okay, very good. So, what sort of sports activities you would like to do very often? It is indoor or outdoor?
As for outdoor sports, I love to play football more often, but sometimes cricket also. But as for indoor sports, I like badminton and table tennis more.
Okay, in your city, do you have sufficient facility for outdoor games? Why not?
In my city, I think there are not sufficient outdoor games. Is because most of the places are filled with buildings and construction sites, but the numbers of fields are very low that are countable in your fingers. And because of the construction or heavy population in the city, the number of fields are get, gradually decreasing.
Okay, very good. So, what steps should be taken to make more facilities, to create more facilities for outdoor games?
For outdoor games, the more facilities can be made in various way, like well planned construction and well planned city structure, where there should be buildings and fields all together, and the amount of fields should be the with the range of the per square people living in that area.
Okay, very good. So, in schools and colleges of your city, do they have sufficient facilities for outdoor games? Why not?
I think in schools and colleges, they actually some of the schools and colleges have sufficient space for sports outdoor games, but most of the schools and colleges don't have those facilities because of the space they have. Most of the maximum school and colleges don't have sufficient space for outdoor games, but some of the renowned school and colleges like Shaheen, Adumji, and Residential, they have sufficient space for their outdoor games for every student.
Okay, very good. Thank you. That is the end of your part one. Let us move to part two. In that part, you are going to be given a cue card and you can write your notes on the pen and paper. Everything is given in front of you.
So
So you
much.
can write your note for 2 minutes.